Welcome to our educational journey on personal finance, where we delve into the essential foundation of financial stability, budgeting. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to refine your budgeting skills, this guide is tailored for beginners seeking financial wisdom. Today, we explore creating a budget, budgeting for beginners. A budget is not merely a financial tool. It's your compass to navigate through the labyrinth of daily expenses, savings, and financial goals. So, let's begin. First, a budget is a financial plan that tracks your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. It's a map for your financial journey, allowing you to allocate your resources wisely. Step 1. Calculate your income. This includes your primary job, side gigs, investments, and any other sources of income. Be comprehensive. Understanding your total income is crucial. Step 2. List your expenses. Now, categorize your expenses into fixed, like rent, mortgage, or utilities, and variable, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Step 3. Set financial goals. What are you saving for? A dream vacation, a home, or retirement? Your goals provide direction to your budget. Step 4. Track and adjust. Regularly monitor your expenses and income, making sure they align with your budget. Be ready to adjust your spending if necessary. Step 5. Create an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, a savings cushion for unexpected events. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. In summary, creating a budget, budgeting for beginners is your tool for financial success. It's a structured roadmap guiding you toward financial freedom. With this budget in hand, you'll have the power to make informed financial decisions, prioritize your goals, and build a secure future. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it's about gaining control. It's the first step on your journey to financial independence. Join us for more financial insights on WealthWaveWay, where knowledge meets prosperity.